Baby Dogecoin has been listed to Binance and has been causing a frenzy in the meme coin space. Should you load up on Baby Doge token? More importantly, how high is this puppy going to go? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about Baby Doge token. As it's been trending on CoinMarketCap for in the #1 space for the past 2 days. Let's go ahead and take a deep dive on this project and decide whether or not you should load up. So first of all, we can see on the day we're up a whopping 10%. On the week we're up a whopping 54%, and on the 30-day we're up a whopping 54%. Is this project worth buying? Let's go ahead and talk about it. So first and foremost, guys, Baby Doge token has been a meme coin on the Binance chain for over, I want to say 4 years now. Started up last bull run and has been always teasing a Binance listing. Fast forward 3 years later now, when we finally got that Binance listing, and we can see over on their Twitter page they've been celebrating. To celebrate a recent listing on Binance, we'll be doing a manual Baby Doge token burns throughout the week. Keep your eyes on socials for more details. Now, with this massive listing in place, are we going to see Baby Doge pump? And here's the thing, there's something a bit different about this listing as well that we're going to go into. So this is Baby Doge token that's been listed on Binance. It's 1 million Baby Doge token, a small piece of the pie. This is the actual Baby Doge token on CoinMarketCap, much bigger. We see over $362 million market cap versus a $360 million market cap as well. Something's not sounding right here, I guess. Okay. It's the same market because it is the same coin, but not the entire coin has been listed on CoinMarketCap. Just showing you my facts straight over here. So this is the 1M Baby 2 Doge. They have changed it slightly. Before it was reflecting a much smaller portion of it, and now it's showing the whole thing. Like over here, we can see $360 million market cap that has not been verified because this project is a smaller portion of the total thing. However, these two tokens are the same tokens. They're just slightly different because this is a version that is listed on Binance. We see breakout channels after listing on Binance, and we can see it had pumped dramatically. They are anticipating a small correction, but I think this project has so much more growth to go from here. Baby Doge wasn't the only token listed on Binance. So was Turbo, Nero, and Baby Doge token, and all the other two tokens have gained a lot more love as well. So we're anticipating to see more of a surge. Nero had upwards of 1,000% surge, and if that takes place, we can see a massive jump in price for Baby Doge token. The overall community sentiment is very bullish, over 87% bullish on this project. Now, if you're bullish on meme coins and you're bullish on Baby Doge, you're gonna absolutely love this pre-sale gem that I have to talk about, and that is Pepe Unchain. It's basically bringing Pepe but its own party, offering a massive staking reward of 154% AP. It's Pepe Unchain, so better speeds, better gains, and same delicious Pepe flavor. And in 1 day, 10 hours, they're having the next price hike. So if you want to buy at the lowest price, now is your time to buy. Why would you want to buy this project, guys? Because they've already raised over $14 million in the pre-sale alone. And at this rate, when it does go live, we could potentially see this hit a $100 million market cap. And if that happens, we're all going to eat a massive bag. This project is very bullish. The future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course memes. Pepe powers the entire ecosystem. You're early enough to witness a golden era of meme coins with Pepe in its rightful place as king, and Pepe Unchained layer 2 his kingdom. This is going to be absolutely bullish, guys. The staking rewards are insane. Pepe themed coins have always had a special place in terms of the meme coin realm, meaning this project has so much potential to pop off. They're garnering a lot of following over on socials as well. This project is going to be a massive hit. Make sure you load up, link in the description below. But back to Baby Doge token, we'll take a look at the technical analysis. Oscillars are in buy, moving averages are in strong buy, indicating a summary of buy. This is starting to look very, very bullish for Baby Doge token, and investors are getting excited, especially with this new manual burn. And not to mention, once they got the Binance listing, it got a ton more listings as well. Just every post is a new exchange listing, a massive partnership with Sundogs TRX as well, which we talked about in a couple of videos over. Massive community over there as well. And it's garnering a massive bullish support. After trending on this on second spot on CoinMarketCap yesterday, Baby Doge is now trending at #1. Absolutely massive. Here's some things we're cooking in the next couple of weeks. Baby Doge token on Solana chain. They've announced a while ago. Our fun website where pieces of revenue is used to buy back and burn Baby Doge tokens. Our own wallet application with our own products integrated, which you'll be able to connect your Baby Doge Pause Telegram game to receive Pause airdrop later on. So absolutely massive things coming for Baby Doge Doge token. Again, over 2.6 million followers and a massive community. Babydoge token is set to create some massive waves in the crypto space. It's been trending now, and not only that, overall markets are looking pretty good as well. Overall market up almost 5%. Fear and greed is back into neutral. Bitcoin at $63,000. Looks like the bull run is just around the corner, and you're not going to want to miss out on any of these delicious gains. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. But let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish for Babydoge token? Are you bearish for Babydoge token? I want to hear it all. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.